Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make broccoli 65. This is a very delicious and an instant snack recipe. You can easily make your kids go with some healthy broccoli. Very easy to make, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Keep ready 200 grams of broccoli cut into chunks like this. Now to a mixing bowl, add 3 tablespoons of gram flour, a tablespoon of rice flour, a tablespoon of Maida or all-purpose flour, a tablespoon of corn flour, half tablespoon of chili powder and half teaspoon of salt. Mix all the ingredients well with a spoon. Now start to add little water at a time until you get a dripping consistency batter. Now we have it right. To this, add the broccoli pieces and mix it well with your hands. Make sure the batter is well spread. Now it's all well combined and ready. Heat sufficient amount of oil in an iron pot. When the oil is hot, add the broccolis and fry for 2 minutes in medium flame. After 2 minutes, flip it to the other side and let this again fry for 2 minutes in medium flame. Now the oil bubbles have settled and the broccoli 65 are nice and crispy, so let's now remove them. Now our delicious broccoli 65 is ready. Serve it nice and hot with a cup of tea and enjoy with your family and friends. Very delicious, crispy, easy and an instant snack recipe. So do try this broccoli 65 recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.